Here's some help with homework 2-3 practice, the coordinate plane. The first 9 problems ask us to write the ordered pair for each point graphed at the right. Then name the quadrant or axis on which each point is located. So I'm just going to pick one at random here. Let's do number 8, point H. Point H is right here. If I want to know the point, if I want to write the ordered pair for that point, I would start at the origin, 0, 0. Then I would look how many spaces do I need to move in X. I move 1 to the right, so that's positive 1. And then how many spaces do I move in Y? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, so that's negative 5. So my ordered pair would be 1, comma, negative 5. Then we need to name the quadrant or axis on which that point is located. Well, I know that we can make a C if we start in the first quadrant where all the points are positive, positive X, positive Y, and then make a C. I can name my quadrants. So this is quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So point H is located in quadrant 4. Let's look at one of these other problems. Graph and label each point on the coordinate plane at the right. So let's pick number 14. Point N is located at 1, comma, negative 4. So I know my X coordinate is first because X comes before Y in the alphabet, and X comes before Y in the ordered pair. So my X coordinate is positive 1, my Y coordinate is negative 4. So again, we start at the origin. X is positive 1, I go 1 to the right. Y is negative 4, so I go 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's plot that point and label it point N. This last section of problems. Problem 19 asks us, we're supposed to determine whether each statement is sometimes, always, or never true, and then explain or give a counterexample to support your answer. So number 19 says, the Y coordinate of a point in quadrant 2 is negative. Well, let's look up here. We numbered our quadrants in this problem. The Y coordinate of a point in quadrant 2, in quadrant 2 all of the Y coordinates, or all the points in quadrant 2 have positive Y coordinates. They're all above the x-axis. So for example, point B would be positive 4 in Y. So when it says the Y coordinate of a point in quadrant 2 is negative, that's never true. And then we could explain by saying all points in quadrant 2 have positive Y coordinates. Okay, hope that helps with the homework. I'll see you in the morning.